Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of August 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and at the end of the reading I'll be taking out some messages for you from your person to you. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. Before that, just think about a yes or no question and I'll tell you what the answer is. Either it can be a yes, no or maybe. Okay, just think about a yes or no question, my dear Capricorns. Whatever you want to think, please. Okay, think Capricorns. Capricorn, yes or no. Capricorn, yes, no or maybe. Oh, there are so many cards, sorry. One answer. I need one card. The answer is yes. I know what is best for you, hence I decide for you. I will offer you loyalty, stability, structure and support. That for me is love. Okay, so dealing with an emperor, Capricorns, or you are the emperor. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, so let's get started for my Capricorns. Capricorn. And if you want to book an appointment, tarot appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Okay, the obstacle for you this month is the Death energy, and the overall energy is the King of Pentacles. Wow, King of Pentacles, Taurus energy. Might be dealing with a Taurus. Okay, so strong energies of some transformation, you know, some endings and some rebirth. So this is kind of a rebirth, regeneration, you know, your transformation, your whole transformation in your life, something related to that, and you are facing some problems in something new. When things come in your life and they come in a very different direction or in a very different way, you feel like that whether it is for me or not, I am really not able to understand. You know, sometimes you just feel that okay, this can be just an illusion, or it can be just sometime temporary thing, but somewhere you really feel that this is a strong connection. If this is a person with whom you are dealing with, somebody new in your life, it is a very strong connection. You are deeply feeling it from your heart. Some other cards: Five of Wands, Ace of Cups, the Tower, Page of Pentacles, the Hanged Man. Okay, you might be going through a very traumatic place. You know, you might be involved in fights and arguments and some negativity. Somewhere you are feeling, somewhere you are starting some new projects, new situations in your life, and overall you are really feeling that, you know, I really want to start new. You feel like you really want to be more mature, you really want to be more stable in life, and that is why you are working for that too. So this is the overall energies for you, Capricorn. In the past we have Six of Cups, Seven of Swords and the Four of Wands. So yeah, there was a strong betrayal happened in the past. It can be somebody whom you have actually loved, or somebody just your known person. It can be a marriage. Betrayal in marriage can also have been there. Okay, in the present we have Nine of Cups, Seven or Eight of Swords and the Knight of Swords. The energies are telling me that you are you able to see what is going on around you, Capricorns, or are you just thinking that you are stuck because you're not able to see? Your eyes are shut. You're not exactly able to see the reality around you. Things are really fast. You see that this is something you are showing the universe some kind of gratitude for this thing, but still the things are exactly not the way you are thinking. We'll clarify that. In the coming future we have the World, Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. So yeah, there are two ladies involved, two people as well. Doesn't mean about the genitalia, doesn't matter. Yeah, two ladies or two people are here who actually feel, there's a sense of emotion as well as stability in finance. So there's that thinking. Either it can be your energy only, Capricorns, where you are feeling emotional as well as financially stability as well is important for you. We'll clarify what are these energies for you, Capricorns. So let's see, let's clarify for my Capricorns, please. Why the death energy is here, please? Why the death energy is here? Death clarified by death and the fool. Yeah. New sudden energy, sudden change in the momentum, sudden change around you. And you are feeling very happy. You are really wanting to enter in this new life. You are taking a risk to enter. You want transformation, and transformation is happening around you. You might be feeling you might be stuck because the obstacles, you might feel that this can be an obstacle in your life, in your career life, in your other life, in that way, some way you feel like that obstacle energy, but it's just a feeling. Okay, let me clarify this King of Pentacles energy. I don't know whether you are sure or not about it, Capricorns. Nine of Swords, Star and Strength. It seems like you really are hoping for a good person in your life. You are really happy for this thing, but at the same time you are really wondering what you are doing or why things are happening like that. I want some other time, I want something else, but something else is happening. When you desire for love, you have to live solely, like you are alone. And when you want to be alone, somebody keeps on coming in your life again and again. So this is something which is actually going opposite of what you are desiring. Okay, let me clarify. Let me clarify what Seven of Swords. Please clarify Seven of Swords. Queen of Pentacles, Six of Swords and Ten of Swords. Wow. Yeah, a strong ending but moving on. You took a stand for something in your past. You just ended that thing, whatever that thing was. You ended it. That situation is not there anymore and you just moved on. Cool. Things from the past are really why these energies are coming again, Capricorn, because from past so many months, I think your past energies are very similar, because you have ended things again. You are still in the past because somewhere you start feeling nostalgic about those events, although those were not good memories, because it actually involved a lot of betrayal and sadness in your life. That is why when that sadness also makes you feel very bad, and that is why these energies keep coming, because these are reflecting in the present. Why these are coming in the past? Because somewhere they have some significance in the present. Okay, so you are not yet healed. I don't see that healing from your end. Tell me more about the Nine of Cups. The Moon, Ace of Pentacles and Page of Wands. Yeah, you want a new beginning, but still you want to be a little hideous in nature. You want to be like, I really want some time. Do not let so many people surround me right now. I really want some alone time. Tell me more about the Eight of Swords in the present energy. Okay. Five of Wands, the Tower and Ten of Pentacles. For many of you, there's a lot of chaos going on in the family members, a lot of sudden endings, and chaos and traumas and everything is going on, fights, arguments, so much things are going on in your life. And that is why you are not sure with what decision to take for future with this person with whom you are dealing with. Tell me more about the World card in the future. The High Priestess, Page of Swords, the Emperor. I feel that in the future as well, you are not going to take a decision in regards with this person or relationship, because you might just take some more time, Capricorns, because if you will give your 100%, you will give your 100%, but till that time you really need some more time to get healed, or for the person to say yes, okay, for you to say yes to the person. So that is why you are taking that time. Tell me more about the Queen of Pentacles in the future. Hermit, Six of Pentacles, and the Sun. All you can offer them is some kind of loyalty, some kind of little, a little liking, admiration, not more than that. I don't see you actually showing a lot of love to the other person. It's more like a gratitude, showing a love gesture. Likings might develop, but for you, your money is important, your stability, your financial stability, career is important right now, and that is why you are just not going to get emotional, because you have seen a lot in the past. You will not get emotional so easily. Tell me more about the Queen of Cups. Seven of Cups, King of Wands, and King of Pentacles. See, you will get more options in front of you. King of Wands with the King of Pentacles. There will be a lot of energies coming towards you, many people trying to get attracted towards you, but you are more focused in your work and career right now. That is what is coming up in the cards. So let me see some messages for you from your person, those who are dealing with a person. Messages for you from your person, for my Capricorns. The Strength, I am manifesting you. I have overcome all my fears and insecurities. The Lovers, I am in love with you and I choose you. Temperance, let us find a balance. There is no need to rush as we are on the right path. Good things need time and patience. Let's level up. Six of Wands, you make me feel like a hero and I love that. I am coming home victorious. Seven of Cups, all these choices and options are confusing me. Okay, so these are the messages for you, my dear Capricorns. So that is all from my side, and I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.